Your MacIntyre refiner conch should be safely positioned on a concrete floor with minimum thickness of 225 mm, 30 Newton strength, as indicated in the manual. Ensure the machine is level. It is not necessary to bolt the machine to the floor, but we advise that you opt for our anti-vibration pads, which will limit any vibration and also assist with noise emissions through the floor. When installing your machine, be sure to leave a minimum of ½ meter clear at the sides of the machine and 1 meter at the delivery end gearbox end. You'll need that space in future for specific maintenance tasks. Your machine comes with easy to hook up cabling and harnesses between the control panel and the junction box and motor. Plug in the socket A as shown on the cable supplied for linking between the junction box and the control panel. The wires from the motor should be connected to the control panel. Then connect the control panel to your main supply. Be sure to use a qualified and competent electrical engineer for all electrical installation work. In order to keep the product at the temperature of your choice, chilled water will be required. You can talk to a local chiller supplier about the quantity of water needed following the guidelines in the manual, and they will recommend a unit suitable to work with the refiner conch in your environment. Ensure water pressure to the refiner conch does not exceed 1.5 bar. Pipework from the chiller should be connected to the water inlet pipe. Note that the solenoid valve in this area will allow chilled water to enter the refiner conch and cool the refiner conch jacket as product temperature increases. The water outlet position is at the top and water piping should be placed here and run back to your chiller unit. A closed circuit should be installed. Check the water level in your chiller system at least every week. Remember to ensure that the sump area is filled with water before activating the heating. Finally, a compressed air supply of 0.5 bar should be fed to the cinch seal. This will ensure there is no product seepage from the gearbox end. Check the correct level of oil is present in the gearbox. It should be visible halfway up the sight glass. It is essential that the direction of the main drive motor and power assist motor are correct. When your machine has been fully installed on site, our commissioning engineer will check the installation and ensure that the grinding bar assemblies are rotating in the correct direction when starting the motor, and will also check that the power assist mechanism is operating in the correct direction.